Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 211. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel, then click on my college website link, and you can download the workbook, Excel Magic Trick 211 to 214. Hey, in this trick we have a little data set here, ID, number, peak, off, peak usage. And all we want to do is extract this ID, except for sometimes the ID like here would be exactly matching. Other times it won't. It'll have extra digits at the end. So how could we do that? This is one way to do it. We're going to add a true-false column. Then we'll create a true-false formula, and we'll run advanced filter. All right. Let's create our formula equals left. Left of what? Well, this right here. And what do we want? I must have a frog stuck in my throat today. That, but we want the number of characters. Well, we could count these and put the number there, but why don't we just use the len function? The len function will actually count how many there are there in that text string and dump it right here. I'm going to hit the F4 key to lock it. So right now, if I close parentheses on the left, it's going to take this and extract that many characters. When it gets down to here, it'll extract exactly the part that we want to look at. And now we want to ask, this has got to be a, oh, and we can do that. Let's Control Enter and just copy it down. You can see when it gets to right here, it's got the right one. When it's got to here, it's got the right one also. Now let's click here and hit F2. Let's just try this. Equals this one right here. And then hit the F4 key to lock it. Control Enter, and let's click and drag it down. Looks like it's nothing but false. Well, let's do a little trick here. Since this is considered a text string and this is a number, it's not liking that. So I'm going to click here and hit F2. And I'm going to ampersand this and ampersand join, so I can join this with what? Double quote, double quote. That is a blank. Now, as soon as you use ampersand, it converts whatever it is to text. So this is a cool little trick, and there's lots of ways we can do that. But that is a nice, short, concise way to convert a number to text. Now, when I Control Enter and then double click and send it down, we have our trues that we want. Now we could set up a criteria range, and the criteria range for advanced filter. There's the name of that column, and this column header is the exact same thing. And what we want to extract is true. So let's highlight. And that little thing right there would cause great trouble. So actually, we want to move that up there. I'm going to click on the cell and use my move cursor to move that up there. Usually when you're doing data analysis, you always want blanks all the way around your data set. I'm going to go to Advanced Filter. In 2003, you go to the Data menu, Filter, and then Advanced Filter. In 2007, you go to Data, Advanced Filter. Now, I'm going to copy to another location. The list range it got right. The criteria range, there's the field name and the criteria. Copy to, and I'm going to click over here. Click on that cell right there and click OK. Let's see if it got it. And sure enough, it looks like it did. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's come over here, and sure enough, we have 5. So that is one way to extract with an ID when you have some variable numbers at the end. All right, we'll see you next trick.